Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make authentic chicken meat pie for the season. So stay tuned, let's get right into the cooking. So the first thing I will be doing is to prepare the filling. So here I will be adding some onion and garlic inside my olive oil. You can make use of any vegetable oil of your choice. Then give it a stir and saute for at least a minute. Add your thyme, add some rosemary, add a little bit of curry powder, then stir and saute for a minute. Then add your chicken, then continue stirring so your chicken doesn't burn. I will be leaving the recipe and the ingredients I use in the description box below, so feel free to check it out. I just added a little bit of chili powder, some chicken seasoning, then I give it another stir. I also have meat pie recipe on my channel. I'll be putting the link in the description box below. So I'll be adding carrots and Irish potato. Then I will give it a stir to make sure I combine everything together. Then after that, add water to the level of the contents. Then add some salt to taste. Give it a stir. Then cover and cook for at least 5 minutes. Add your flour mixture or starch mixture. I'm making use of flour and a little bit of water. Just combine everything together, then add it to thicken it. Once it becomes like gravy, then it's good to go. Allow it to cool down, then we start mixing the dough. Then for the dough, I have some flour, some butter, some salt, and some baking powder. Then combine everything together to become like breadcrumbs. Then add some milk or water to fold it together to bring everything together. I'll be putting the ingredients, the amount of the things that I use in the description box, so feel free to check it out. Please, if you are still watching up to this extent, give this video a thumbs up. Then start kneading the meat pie dough just like so. Knead it to become as flat as you want. Then take out the excess. Depending on how you want to cut it, you can use a shape you have in your house, maybe the cover of your pot, to cut it out. If you're making like round meat pie, what I want to make what is it called, like triangular shape, I will still be making that meat pie type, that meat pie shape, but I want to make a triangular shape first to see what it will look like. Then just like so, I will just after cutting it, it will retract, so I will just knead it one more to spread it again before adding the fillings. Then after adding the fillings, I use egg to cover it, just egg mixture to cover it, egg wash. Then use your fork to give it that design that you want. Then this one, I'll be using the meat pie cutter to cut it open. I want this one to have that meat pie shape, exactly like this. So you can use any shape of your choice. There was this one that I made with like star shape, love shape, so you can basically use any shape of your choice. That is it, guys. Then once I'm done cutting everything, then I will apply some egg wash on it just like so, so that it will brown and this will still be soft and crunchy while eating it. Put in the oven and bake for 40 minutes and it is ready. So guys, please give this video a thumbs up, comment below and share. Bye.